What's going on, everyone? This is JD Trades, only trades 365. Please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. And going moving forward, we're going to go ahead and talk about where we're possibly headed on SPY this week. So that's going to be the subject for today. So we'll go ahead and move forward. Already updated my levels here, so I'm going to kind of go through them with you, and then we'll kind of talk about what we did last week, and then we kind of go forward from there. But moving forward here on SPY, these are going to be some key levels this week on SPY. So on the top here, we actually added this zone over the weekend. So we're going to go ahead and update this zone. So here's our zone here on this. This is going to be a upper supply level. So this upper supply level is going to be to 445.98. That's 445.98 to 445.26. So that's going to be this upper supply level. It's going to be an hourly zone. And then we got right below that, we do have the daily zone of still of that 444.30 area all the way down to 442.06. So this is going to be a heavy resistance this week, this 442.06. So these are going to be some key levels, which I'm going to go over with you. So if you want to put these, make sure you mark these in. It's going to be that 442.06. And then as well, this is going to be some resistance here, that 443.36. If we break that, we could see more downside in the market. Next level is going to be that 443.69. So these are going to be the bottom of these levels here in that demand level. So if you want to make sure you mark those three levels, those are going to be key areas this week. And as well on these upper levels here, this is going to be the upper resistance level of 446.67, and then this other level is going to be a key level of 446.22. So those are going to be our key levels. If we do break above this 446.22, look us to get into that 446.67, which we touched on Friday, and we'll see if we reject or if we decide to push in the market. We'll kind of move with whatever the market gives us. We will move forward on that. So I'm going to go through on the hourly. As you can see on the hourly, we have continued to downtrend. If you see that, we got the lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And on Friday, we finally got a lower low into that 443.35. So I do think the market's probably going to go ahead and pull a little further this week. Our key areas, if we do break, is going to be that 442.06, and then that key area of 440, pretty much 440. That's going to be a super, super key level of resistance. So obviously, I always tell you, SPY and QQQ always move in fives. So if you're looking out, make sure you do know that. Keep that on your watch list. That SPY moves in fives. So 440, 445 to 450. Those are going to be our key levels of the watch list on SPY. So moving forward, we'll go ahead and go over this today. Let's see here. As you can see, here's a key thing that happened on Friday is we came down and tested this lower low. Here we came down and then immediately pulled and reclaimed this area of the top of this demand area. So once we reclaimed that area, this was going to be a key level on Friday, as it was. Once we pulled off of that top of that demand level, we held above, and then we traded in this tight range of pretty much 446, a little higher, 446.22, and then all the way down to this 444.45. So we were in a pretty tight range. I would say, under $2. So here's the big thing of when we're in these ranges, you want to be very careful on entries. Make sure you do have A+ setups, and also just let the market come to you. Let the trade come to you. Once the trade comes to you, you take the trade. So make sure you do have those key levels. So as I said, these are going to be our key levels of trading tomorrow. We'll probably, more than likely, we're probably going to open in this 445 area. I'm thinking in the morning, but we'll see what we do. Kind of go with what the market gives us. If you are available in the morning, please join us for the pre-market. We do a pre-market Zoom every morning roughly about a half hour. We usually get on a half hour, 40 minutes before market open. And we go over the trade of what we're looking at, and then we kind of evaluate what when we're about 10 minutes into open, and then we kind of figure out what the market's doing for us. We did this past week on our trades. We went 5-0 on our opening trade. So that was very important for us. So if you're doing big trims, you're making your money just off of open trades. We went 5-0 this week off of the open. We had a great week of trading, and then we closed out Friday pretty well. I did get back a little bit of money Friday afternoon, got stuck in this chop area, and end up, like I said, at the end of the day, had a great week of trading, just smoked the week. And like I said, got chopped up into the afternoon. Probably shouldn't have been trading, kind of over traded in the afternoon. But overall, I was green. I'm green every day this month, 9-0 this month on trades. So been killing it. The Discord's been killing it. Our Discord's been killing it. Everything's been going great. So please join us, and I'll go ahead and update you on early into the week. I'll update you on the SPY where we're headed, and we'll go from there. But if you have any questions, please reach out in those comments, and then as well, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you get our notifications. As again, looking forward to this week, and JD Trades with Only Trades 365, and I'm out. Peace.